went to shopping at Bunnings, and do you remember I showed the Bunnings forklift through there? This is what it is. And we're going to build it today. And now let's get started. Now we're going to open first. Yes. Wow, that looks like cool parts. So how much parts does it have? 65 pieces, that's a lot. Lucky it has some instructions. What's this? We'll figure out later. Some stickers. Here's some Bunnings stickers that we gotta put on. There's a lot of steps for this one. These are all the steps. So those are the pieces that we gotta find. And same as this side. Yeah. Okay, so let's start building our building block forklift. That's what it says on the box. We have everything set up. Now we're ready to build our building block forklift. Okay, 1, 2, those are the 2 pieces. Ooh, white piece. And these 2. Here they are. Now let's figure out how to build it. So. Okay, now let's move on to step 2. So 2 of those pieces, 1 and 2. Okay, all right, 1 and 2. Okay, those are the right pieces? Yep, the right pieces. Okay, I think it's these, is it? Yep, it's these ones. And 1 piece of those. Okay. Now how does it go? Okay, step 2's done. Now step 3. So 1 of those pieces again. So that's the 1. 4. So that one. Wait, how many pieces of it? 2 pieces. Okay. Now 4 of them. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, these look like headphones. 2 of those things. Okay, there's the 4 pieces. There. Now let's get building. So. Now let's go to step 4. Oh, that's a big piece. So 4 of each. Yes, this is the one of that. One of that, which is in here. Yep. And 3 of those. So 1. Now I know what this is. This is a rubber band. It has to go along there. So maybe it's because so that thing can go down and up, down and up. Oh. Okay. So was that now step 5? We need those pieces. So 2 of these pieces. 1, 2. Another 2 of these headphone thingies. Those 2 of that and 2 of that. Those are yep. 1 of 2 of that. Oh, there's 2 of everything on this one. So 2 of all that. Now 2 of that. Yep. That. Okay, we finished. We got the pieces, now let's build. Now we're going to put the sticker. Now we're going to do step 6. Number 6 step is done. Now we're going to do the 7. But first we're going to find the rubber band. The rubber band is easy to find, but hard to put. Don't worry, maybe we'll figure out how easy or hard it is to do. Okay, let's start. Okay, this is the part that goes like that. Now we're gonna have to put it over the oval. Around the oval. Like that. Alright, Mom helped me a bit with this, so because I done those 2 pieces wrong. Those 2 have to face that way. Not there. There it is. Step 8. Okay, the square piece was wrong, so I decided to fix it because that was supposed to go there, not there. And this one's supposed to go up here. Yeah. Made a few mistakes. Now we're gonna fix the mistakes. So I'm undone them. Now I'm gonna redo them. Oh, these pieces go like that. Number 8 and 9 I done wrong. We have to connect it. Do this. Okay, so the 9th step is done. First I gotta put this one piece, and then we're gonna move on to step 10. So we already found, now we're gonna, one headphone. Headphone. Beep. Beep, 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 beep. Okay. Hello? Yeah, I'm just building a building block forklift. Yeah. So, bye. But that was just my friend calling. Okay. To those pieces. Completed it. That looks like repetition. That I said finally. Okay, and and some parts were hard, and spare stickers. That's 1, 2, 3. I can see. So here is our completed forklift. It's on my hand. Bunnings set. You have a truck without a trailer. This might be a spare truck. And we have truck and trailer, which is, yeah. Then another truck and trailer. And here's the forklift that we built. And we have my Bunnings building that people walk through there. Maybe sometimes those two places. That's the timber section part, and that is the garden section. And we also have my box truck that I built. Yeah. And we have the Bunnings sign. And we have the umbrella with the food there. I'm gonna eat a sausage. There it is. That goes like that. I made food for the plants. They're little wrappers from candies. And we have to put the food in there, otherwise if the plants have no food, they'll die. So we gotta put food. One, and one. Okay, there's all the food. The plants are happily ever after with their food. Extra Bunnings stickers, I'll just name them. I really thank you, Bunnings, for making these toys for us. I hope the Bunnings people watch this video. They'll say, wow, look how much toys they bought from us. They might like our nice new toys. And thanks for watching the video. Thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. And bye!